Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, it's your special day. The candles are lit, the cake's on display. Another year of laughter, another year of cheer. We're here to celebrate you, it's the best day of the year. The world shines brighter when you're around, so let's lift you up, let the love surround. Happy birthday to you, it's your special day. Let the music play, we're here to stay. Wishing you joy, love, and all the best. Happy birthday, today's your day to rest.
Happy birthday kay Ariana. Happy birthday. Ang wish lang ni Tito sa'yo ay sana lumaki kang mabait.
Palakpakan naman natin si Tito. Tito, magpapi...
Eliana, so happy birthday baby, and hindi ko pa ito naiintindihan pero nandito silang lahat para sa'yo. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Yun, happy birthday Eliana!
Bye-bye! Happy birthday! Maging mabuting tao, ha?
Hello. Iliana, tulad na ng sabi ng lahat, maging mabuti kang bata, may takot sa Diyos, at maging mabuting anak para sa mga magulang mo. Maging masunurin. At sana lumaki kang successful someday. Okay, again, happy first birthday, Iliana. Thank you.
In our hearts forever, where you belong. Here's to the future. Here's to your smile. We'll be celebrating you.
Napagalingan yan, ha? Palakpakan mo naman yung mga bata.
All the world.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. First of all, nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyong lahat at napaunlakan niyo po ang aking imbitasyon na kayo ay nandito. Inalulugod po namin na makasama kayo sa special na selebrasyon ng aming anak. At taos-puso po kami nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat na nandito po kayo. At it brings back the good memories po. And salamat po at may God bless you all po at magpalain po kayo ng Panginoong Diyos physically, spiritually, and emotionally. Salamat po!
Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Nandito po kayong lahat. Happy birthday, anak. Magandang mabuti. Papasalamat po sa Panginoon kasi binigyan niyo sa amin.
Salamat po and God bless you.
Yan na muna birthday song. Happy birthday. Ayan, si Mami na lang mag-wish para kay Iliana kasi hindi pa masasabi ni Iliana yung wish niya. Kaya si Mami muna ang mag-wish para kay Iliana. Okay, wish ka muna Mami para kay Iliana.
Let's make some unforgettable vibes. Yeah. You filled our lives with joy and cheer. A friend so true, a soul so dear. Let's dance and sing the whole night.